YouTuberul mă va urâ pentru că împărtășesc acest truc. YouTuberul
means the YouTuber. YouTuber is a borrowed word from English, referring to a person who creates and uploads videos to YouTube. Ool is the definite article in Romanian, masculine singular form, indicating the pronounced
YouTuberul,
with the emphasis on the second syllable of
YouTuber, mă,
a personal pronoun meaning me. It's the first person singular object pronoun, pronounced
m,
a short and slightly nasalized sound, similar to the m in much, but with a slight o sound added.
va,
A form of the auxiliary verb
avea,
to have, used here to form the future tense,
va,
means will, pronounced
va,
with the
a,
sound like the a in father.
ură,
The infinitive form is
a ură,
to hate. Here, it's the infinitive form conjugated in the future tense with
va,
indicating,
will hate,
pronounced
uire,
with the emphasis on the
u,
and a slightly drawn out
e,
sound.
pentru,
A preposition meaning because or for, pronounced
pentru,
with the stress on the first syllable. It connects the reason for the YouTuber's reaction.
că,
A conjunction meaning that or because. It introduces a subordinate clause explaining the reason for the hating. Pronounced
che,
a very short sound, like the K in kick, followed by a very brief sound,
împărtășesc,
means I share. This is the first person singular present tense of the verb
a împărtăși,
to share, pronounced
împărtesc,
with the stress on the third syllable and a soft
she,
sound.
acest,
A demonstrative adjective meaning this, pronounced
acest,
with a short
a,
sound and emphasis on the first syllable.
truc,
Means trick, pronounced
truc,
similar to the English word but with a slightly shorter oo sound. Putting it together
YouTuberul mă va urâ pentru că împărtășesc acest truc.
means the YouTuber will hate me because I am sharing this trick. It expresses the speaker's anticipation of negative feedback from a YouTuber due to revealing a particular trick or secret.